In this video I'm going to show you how to download Hitman World of Assassination Deluxe Edition on your PC. So what you need to do is go to your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we can quickly search up this game at Steam before we continue to another website to download this game without overpaying. So quickly go to the Steam website. Don't waste too much time over here because we are not going to buy it at Steam. We are going to download it at another website. Search for the game Hitman World of Assassination and then select the game. Now what we will do, we will scroll a little bit down, and as you can see there is a free demo available, but we would like to download the deluxe edition of this game. Now as you can see, this game is very expensive at Steam, €99.99, but don't worry, we have a workaround for this. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here, and then you will be redirected to this webpage. Here we will search for Hitman World of Assassination Deluxe Edition. Search for that. After that, select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Now once you have done that, you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green and then you can select it. After that, the game page will be opened, and as you can see, we can already download this game for €76.72 compared to the Steam price of €99.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games. Now if you purchase this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!